So let's walk through how to edit templates from my template package. So we can start with, let's see, which one should I do? I will do the let's do the girl shrimp thing. Okay, so once you go into the template, you will see this. So the really cool thing about these templates is that you can edit anything on here. You can edit anything on here. So here is what the template looks like. And I'll show you how to go through and edit it. All right, so first things first, let's see what we like to do to the homepage. So the girl strip, I think that looks fine, but I want to change it to a different type of font. So first we're going to unlock it and then delete that. Click delete again, the whole thing is gone. So now we're going to go to elements and I will do some different letters. So let's do purple letters. And there are different types of letters and graphics. I really like these fuzzy ones. So let's go with these. So to be sure that I see all of the letters from this group, I'm going to click these three dots and then click View Collection. So these are going to show me all the letters in this collection. So instead of girl strip, I'll put the turnip strip. So I'll do T and then resize it with the H. Or we can do the lid trip. Let's see. Where is E? That's the only thing I hate about this is like it's not always in alphabetical order, so you literally have to look through it. My internet is so fucking shitty. Alright, now get this organized a little bit. Alright, so now our dates. I'm just going to edit our dates and we'll say March 5th through 11th, 2024. And destination, Cancun. So you can leave this font as it is, or you can change it to something that you prefer. So you can go up here and change it to a font that you feel looks better. And then this is the letter. So if you want to keep this, you can go in and fill in the information. So you can say thank you for joining me in my birthday trip in Cancun. And then you'll just insert your name here. So I'll put Jane Doe. But if you don't want to have this here, you also edit here, Cancun. And like I said, if you don't like this font or the color, you can literally like change it to any type of font that you want, like anything. You can change the color. Say you want to do this color as white, you can do that. If you don't want to have this page, you literally can just delete it. All right, so you want to put pictures from a hotel. To add pictures, you just go to upload. So I'm not putting any hotel pictures in, but let's just say it was a hotel. You just go in, add the picture, and then put it into the box. And then you can edit it, move it around. Another cool thing is, yeah, you can edit it. And then you can enter your hotel information here. You'll type in the name of the hotel. So let's say Royalton Chic Cancun. So, for instance, if you want to add a link into this, you will just double click that uh, and then click this link button, and then you can add the address where people can go to the website and book it directly. So, you go to www.royalton.com, and then it'll be underlined, and that lets you know that that's a link, it's an active link. Next is airport information. Some people want to add the airport information of whatever you're saying. So you can copy and paste some flight information. If you don't want to add the Google information, I'm sorry, if you don't want to add the flight information, you can just delete this page. All right, next, travel crew. So some people like to add a travel crew page where you can include who will all be on the trip. So you will go into upload. So if you need to upload people into it, you'll just click upload files. If you already have them within your uploads, it'll show here. So you can go in, add, oops, what am I doing? So you go in, add each person's photo, and then you will go in and put their names if you want to put their names. If not, you can just delete them. And then another cool thing is if you want to remove the background, you'll click the photo, go to edit background, and then do the background remover. And you can do that for all of your pictures. Some people prefer to have that clean look with no background, but I'll be honest, all pictures don't work for that. If the picture is grainy or something like that, it doesn't look good. I honestly feel like it looks better with a background for these. So I'll just put them back. Let's see what happened there. Okay. So that's how you do that page for your itinerary. So you'll go on here and enter the information that you have for the days that you have things planned. So you're going into the date. So we'll say like maybe March 5th. But for instance, let's say your trip is not Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There's an extra page that has Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So what we can do is, let's say our trip is Thursday through Sunday. So we're going to completely delete this. We're going to move this one over. So we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and pull this forward so it's sitting on top the way we want it to. And then Sunday. So for Sunday, we're just going to right click, copy, and then here we're going to paste, or you can do Control V. So you can do Control V or Command V to paste it there. And then you don't need these anymore because you have the date that you need. So you can delete that page, and then you can go in and add everything. If you have the specific details like per hour for your trip, you can do the detailed itinerary pages as well. So there's a welcome page, and then I left just examples of what you can do for each day. As I said, you can change all of this. If you want to change the font, you can do that as well. Really, this is for people that are very detail oriented. Most people are not. It's okay. Like if you just want to have an idea of what you're going to do each day, morning, noon, afternoon, you can keep this one. So let's say you decide to keep this one. So you can delete all these other pages because you won't be using them. All right. So these are activities. If you want to put the excursions that you're going to have planned, you can put pictures of the excursions here. You can put the name here. And like I showed you guys how to add the link into it with the hotel page, you'll do that the same way there. And then this is just a cheers page, just saying like, I look forward to seeing you for the trip. If you don't want to do this, you can delete this page, or you can simply highlight everything, delete it, and you can do whatever you want to do on there. If you don't want to have that page at all, just completely delete it. And that's how you edit one of the many templates that I have to fit perfectly for your trip, your style, whatever it is that you want to do.